Hi, welcome to another episode of Crypto Outliers. Today we are going to introduce our new feature, which we are going to call State of the Market. And today will be episode 1, where I will try to bring you the latest news and happenings in the crypto market. So let's start with what's happening today in the market. The latest news making the round is that Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF, as he is popularly known, the CEO of the now bankrupted FTX exchange, loaned $43 million to Block's CEO, McCaffrey, secretly. So, looking at the wire, it says the Block CEO Michael McCaffrey was revealed today to have secretly borrowed $43 million from Sam Bankman-Fried. At least $27 million were used to fund the crypto news company. So far, McCaffrey has resigned. So secretly, SBF loaned McCaffrey $43 million. And if we go further into the report, it indicates McCaffrey received the first loan of $12 million in April last year, a second of $15 million in January this year, and a third of $16 million sometime in spring of this year. The first two loans were reportedly used to restructure the company and shore up its balance sheet. At least part of the third loan was allegedly funneled for McCaffrey to buy property in the Bahamas. Terra co-founder Kwon, hiding out in Serbia, authorities say. We all know Kwon. He was the CEO of Luna, which collapsed sometime earlier this year, before FTX collapsed. So in this report, the South Korean authorities are saying that he is hiding in Serbia. South Korean authorities have requested cooperation from the Serbian government in order to bring Kwon back to face charges in South Korea. The global manhunt for Terra Labs' controversial founder and CEO Kwon continues to rage on, with South Korea authorities now believing he's in Serbia after leaving Singapore in September. So the South Korean authorities believe that he's currently hiding in Serbia, and they are requesting the authorities of the Serbian government to cooperate with them to extradite Kwon back to South Korea to face charges. We'll keep on following the news for you. Moving ahead, Bank of England is now test running a CBDC wallet, central bank digital currency wallet. Bank of England opens application for proof of concept CBDC wallet. CBDC wallet, for those who don't know, is central bank digital currency wallet. So it's a digital currency but controlled by the central bank of a government. And right now, the Central Bank of England, that is the Bank of England, is budgeting nearly $255,000 to develop a central bank digital currency sample wallet that could execute basic features such as transactions and payments requests. So the Central Bank of Governments are now moving into digitization of their currency. In Africa, Nigerian Central Bank have already digitized their currency. They have their own CBDC. Right now, the Bank of England is trying out a proof of concept. They have opened requests for applications on the United Kingdom government's digital marketplace, a service where government organizations can solicit for work for digital projects. So they are now soliciting for service providers that can help them develop CBDC. So government are now keying into the action of cryptocurrency. But mind you, CBDCs are centralized. They are not decentralized like your Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's a cryptocurrency, but it is controlled by the government. It's two different things from a decentralized cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. This one is centralized and controlled by the government. Just like the Chinese, they have already done their CBDC and they have rolled it out, and the citizens are currently using it. So it is controlled by the Chinese central bank. The Bank of England is now preparing this for the UK government. Moving ahead, crypto exchange Bybit to add new restriction for unverified users. Update withdrawal limits. The new crypto exchange Bybit is adding new restrictions for unverified users. So far, like I keep on saying in this program, if it's not your key, it's not your coin. If you keep on storing your cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, whatever type of cryptocurrency you have on the exchange, one day they will come out with policies that will be unfavorable and they will lock you out of your coin. So it's always best for you to keep your cryptocurrency in your own wallet. So you can leave the ones that you can afford to lose in the exchanges or the one you use for trading. But the bulk of your cryptocurrencies must be in a digital hardware wallet with the keys with you. Uniswap is the most active smart contract on Ethereum. This is one of the news making rounds today. In this crypto winter, Uniswap is still the most active contract on Ethereum. Why is it so? One of the secrets I would like to share with you, my subscribers, is in all these smart contracts, with layer ones, your Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Cosmos, all the popular layer ones that we have, Binance Smart Chain, the contracts that is residing on top of them that most of the time generates lots of activities is always the decentralized exchange. Why is it so? It's because from time to time, people will always exchange one coin for another. That's why centralized exchanges today, like your Binance, Coinbase, are still minting money because people will always trade their cryptocurrency for another cryptocurrency. So in the decentralized world, which is Uniswap, they are doing the same thing the exchanges are doing, but in this case, in a decentralized form, meaning that they don't have custody of your crypto assets. You trade from your crypto wallet and exchange it for another crypto asset. But in centralized exchanges, you first of all sign up, do your KYC, then deposit your cryptocurrency, they will hold it, then you can now trade with it. If they change their policy tomorrow, they can decide to lock you out or block your account or whatever, block you out of the exchange and you won't have custody, you won't have access to your cryptocurrency again. Moving on, let's look at the price of Bitcoin right now. So if you look at the price of Bitcoin, Bitcoin is still hovering between 16,900 and 17,000. So, and with the CPI data coming out tomorrow, we'll see how it affects Bitcoin. If it blows if it comes out hot, that inflation is still going up, that will affect Bitcoin negatively, because it means that the Fed in the next meeting will most probably maintain 75 basis points. But if the CPI data comes out cool, meaning that the inflation is coming down, then so far it will be favorable. Although Bitcoin hasn't been following the macroeconomic data that have been coming out because of the recent collapse of FTX that negatively impacted on Bitcoin price. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow when the CPI data comes out. But for me, this purple region, it's where I'm looking that Bitcoin probably by next year will be in this region, 10,000, 11,000 region. That is where I'm looking that Bitcoin will bottom. But remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any cryptocurrency. So this is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. So many people are calling the Bitcoin bottom now, like Arthur Hayes, former CEO of BitMEX. He's calling out that Bitcoin has already bottomed because of all the companies who could go bankrupt has gone bankrupt. I'm of the opinion that Bitcoin will bottom around this area, 10,000, 11,000 region. Sometime next year, that's when I believe Bitcoin will bottom. And that's the wrap for State of the Market today, episode 1. Tomorrow, we'll give you the latest on what's going on in the crypto market. If you are new to the channel, click the like button, click the subscribe button with the notification bell so that once we post any video, you get immediate alerts. Our videos are time sensitive and gives you the edge to react quickly. So click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. It's free, just for you to be in the know. Thanks. Have a good one.